Now guys, nandito sa aking table is a promotional box na meron ni TECNO in collaboration with FARLIGHT 84 para sa POVA 6 Pro 5G. E makita natin main character na si Maggie dito sa FARLIGHT 84. And I'm really excited to open this one up though. And it's probably one of the massive box na kailangan ko i-open for this year. So, slice open lang natin. Excited ako dito sa laman niya. Tapos naman na natin. Woo, nice. Ito natin, these are yung mga mga icons sa FARLIGHT 84. Ito yung pizza ni Maggie na dinideliver niya. TECNO FARLIGHT 84. In likod niya is a POVA 6 Pro 5G and this is a eco bag. Pwede mong bitbitin, no? So, tabi muna natin. You see yung promotional box na dito together with a power bank na TECNO with FARLIGHT 84 na collaboration. And we have another box here. So natin, no? Kung ano nga malaman nito. Ooh, it's a really nice na large format na mousepad. Yun na pwede natin lagay sa ating table, no? It's a POVA 6 Pro na mousepad. Looks really nice and yeah, I love it. Tatabi muna natin. And here's the main course. And here's the main course. The actual box itself. Si TECNO X FARLIGHT 84 plus a POVA 6 Pro. And has 24 gigs of RAM. 12 plus 12 siya, no? And 256 gig of storage. And I love yung kanyang collaboration box dito, no? It looks very premium. May high-res audio pa siya na wireless, no? So, talagang effort ang binigay ni TECNO dito, And it has a 6,000 mAh of battery, supports up to 70 watts of ultra charge. And tara, buksan natin. I think ang cut nito is dito sa side. So, ito ang actual box ng TECNO POVA 6 Pro 5G. Color green box siya, no? So, you see yung 6 na logo na dito. What I have here is a comet green ang kanyang color. Sa natin. So here are the quick specs. So makita natin 70 watts of ultra charge, 6,000 mAh battery, 24 gigs of RAM, 12 plus 12, 256 GB storage, Dimensity 6080, AMOLED screen na 6.78 inch, 32 MP na front-facing camera, and 108 MP na rear camera. Support na Dolby Atmos with dual speaker. Nice, Ganda. Ganda ng kanyang design this time around. And I believe this has stepped up a lot from the POVA 5. And look, no? Sobrang ganda, very premium looking. Pag inilawan mo, no? Parang may mga hologram dito. It looks really nice and really premium for a gaming phone. So yung sides niya is shiny na green. So expect there's a lot of fingerprints dito. Power button, dalawang volume rocker, second IR speaker, and of course your noise cancelling mic. And nandito sa side yung SIM tray. Quickly sundutin lang natin, no? So we have triple card slot, so dalawang 5G SIM dito plus isang microSD expansion. And sa ilalim nandiyan ka ng audio jack, and of course your Type-C port plus your second loudspeaker. So inside we have a 2+1 na warranty card, some sticker from FARLIGHT 84. User guide. Ito medyo okay, I would say. Siguro sayang lang walang FARLIGHT 84 na theme. It looks nice. Ang kanyang case, solid ang kanyang frames, and yeah, transparent ang kanyang gitna. So we have a 70 watts na charging brick, kanyang free headset, and of course Type-C cable. And of course, nandyan ang kanyang panundot. So guys, stay tuned para sa aking full review netong phone neto pretty soon here on my channel.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.